12 Boscori.
District Commissioner Scouts, Don Bosco District, Tamil Nadu. இப்போ பாஸ்கோரின்றது ஆல் இண்டியா லெவலில் டான் பாஸ்கோ இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸில் இருக்கிற ஸ்கவுட்ஸ் அண்ட் கைட்ஸ் இவங்கெல்லாம் ஒன்றா சேர்றது தான் பாஸ்கோரின்றது. இது வரைக்கும் 11 பாஸ்கோரி நடந்திருக்குது. இது 12வது பாஸ்கோரி. இதில் இப்போ நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ஸ்கவுட்டிங் வந்து ஒரு வேர்ல்டு வைடு மூவ்மெண்ட். நியர்லி 150க்கு மேலே இருக்கிற கண்ட்ரிஸ் இதில் ஜாயின் ஆகியிருக்காங்க. 20 மில்லியனுக்கு மேலே ஸ்ட்ரென்த் இருக்குது. இதுக்கெல்லாம் வேர்ல்டு பியூரோ வந்து இட்ஸ் அட் ஜெனீவா. அதனால் இந்த ஸ்கவுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து இது இந்த கேரக்டர் பில்டிங் மூவ்மெண்ட். அதனால் ஸ்கவுட்ஸாக இருக்கிறவங்க, கைட்ஸாக இருக்கிறவங்கெல்லாம் நல்ல கேரக்டரோட நல்ல குடிமகனாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு நல்ல வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. அதனால் அவங்க வந்து இந்த மாதிரி தீய சக்திகளிலிருந்து இழுக்கப்படாமல் நல்ல தேசத்துக்கு நல்ல முறையில் உறவாற்று மாதிரி அவங்க ஏற்பாடு செய்கிறதுக்கு இந்த ஸ்கவுட்டிங் ரொம்ப உதவுது. அதனால் ஸ்கவுட்டிங் எல்லா பிள்ளைகளும் சின்ன பசங்களும் ஸ்கவுட்ஸ் அண்ட் கைட்ஸ் 2 பேருமே சேர்ந்தால் ரொம்ப நல்லாயிருக்கும். நாடு நல்லா சுபிட்சமாக இருக்கும். இந்த தீவிரவாதம் இதெல்லாம் வந்து எடுக்காது.
Good morning to you. I am very happy here for my 12th Boscori. I attended all the 12 Boscoris right from 1974 till now. So this I want to say something about the founder of the Scout movement. Lord Robert Stevenson Smith Baden-Powell was the founder of this great Scout movement and brotherhood movement of the world. He was born in England in the year of 1857, February 22nd. His aim was to give each and every young boys and girls to be a good citizen of his own country. So he worked for this. He joined in the military, trained up by the English people and worked in India, Lucknow. After that, in full speed, he involved in the Scout movement. He lost his father when he was 3. He was looked after by his own mother. So he studied in the military school and trained in the military school, worked on the military. After retirement, returned back to England and took the charge of the youngsters to make each and every citizen of England to be a scout. So thank you very much. Be happy, Boscorians. Thank you.
My name is Bhakta Vachalu, Wood Badge holder. I joined in Don Bosco Youth Center Broadway in the year of 1949. From that day onwards, I was a cub, scout, rover and scout master. I met Lady Baden-Powell in the year of 1961 at National Training Center, Pachmari. It is a great opportunity which was made by Reverend Par Makparan, whose name is as one of the sub-camp. I am very happy to see under that banner our Broadway boys also camped there. Now still I am doing as a scout work with our Don Bosco products. 3 of us, Mr. Tirunyanamurthy, Mr. Sudarshan, are helping another scout group from last 30 years in Kurumbet area as a Don Bosco products. It is another school, but through Don Bosco institution, we are giving aim of Don Bosco to the other children also. Main idea, it is purely their individual self-development, which Abdul Kalam's dream will come very soon through the scouts and guides.
I am Father Francis coming from Don Bosco, Imphal in Manipur. I belong to the Dimapur province. I had the great joy of conducting the Boscori in Dimapur the last time, and from then onwards I had the eager feeling to come over to Tanjavur to take part in the next Boscori. For me, Boscori is a place where young people can feel at home. All that is best in scouting is put together, and with our life with Don Bosco, we share it with Lord Baden-Powell's life and share it to the whole world. Boscori is a time when we can display our scout talents and at the same time invite more and more people to join the game of scouting. Scouting, we know, is a game in which we build the character of young people. Scouting is a game which attracts young people from all walks of life, from all strata of society, so that they can really feel at home with nature and bring out the best in themselves. You know, the elders among us who are into scouting have realized that this is a wonderful means of capturing the attention of the boys. With a lot of activities, with a lot of learning, with a lot of fun, we educate ourselves even probably without realizing it. Scouting is fun, scouting is a game, and the best part of the game and the fun is at the Boscori. Don Bosco himself had told us, jump, run, do whatever you like, provided you avoid everything that is evil. And that happens at a very high and intense level at Boscori. I have seen Boscori Thanjavur is a wonderful experience. It was enough that we make a phone call and Father Barnabas was there to bring our boys from the station, to bring us personally from the bus stand, and all the people here I have seen are busy getting their tents pitched, getting into their uniforms, meeting other people and having a great time. And I think all that Don Bosco and Baden Powell dreamed will surely come to pass in this Boscori. I wish the Boscori Thanjavur all the best, and I am hoping to enjoy to the very best so that our young people can really feel at ease. And of course, where the young people are at ease, we feel at home.
Boscori.